Welcome to the absolute apex of carved architectural supremacy. This is Aegis Rock Sanctuary. This massive scale defines unparalleled luxury, merging seamlessly with the raw, lush nature. Stepping inside, raw basalt rock meets polished Carrara marble in a stunning display. Follow the organic contours through winding, cavernous walkways, guided by subtle, glowing bioluminescence. The primary living lounge is colossal, featuring an anthracite fire pit and breathtaking gorge views.
Culinary mastery awaits in the Master Show kitchen, carved with smooth granite and massive glass.
Dine elegantly above a subterranean glass chasm, revealing vibrant koi and natural internal waterfalls.
This executive cliff edge office redefined remote working with heart-stopping views of the Palawan Gorge.
Breathe in pure tranquility within the indoor botanical Zen garden, bathed in cascading natural light beams.
A masterpiece of preservation, this climate-controlled glass wine vault is built directly into the raw rock.
Experience absolute zen in our floating copper teahouse, suspended over a dark, tranquil, mirror-like pool. Step into the future within this immersive VR sanctuary, blending raw stone textures with cutting-edge metaverse technology. Elevate your wellness in this high-tech gym, featuring gold-accented equipment and stunning raw basalt architectural views. Adventure starts here in the subterranean launch cave, where elite jet skis await in a stunning rock cavern. Retreat to the primary master bedroom, a massive rock-carved sanctuary offering unparalleled comfort and lush tropical vistas. Witness history in the meteorite gallery, featuring celestial stones illuminated by focused warm lighting and gold accents. Glide across this transparent glass walkway, suspended high above a cavernous drop into the dark basalt depths. Welcome your guests to the presidential suite, where raw basalt walls meet ultra-luxe polished gold and wood. Start your morning at the artisanal coffee bar, featuring custom gold machines and stunning rock-carved architectural details. Ultimate security meets absolute luxury in this doomsday bunker, protected by massive gold-plated rock-carved blast doors. Enjoy cinematic perfection in this copper-clad theater, featuring plush velvet seating and a massive billionaire tier screen. Acoustic perfection meets rock-carved beauty on this performance stage, centered around a stunning polished gold grand piano. Innovation tastes better in this molecular kitchen, featuring sleek gold surfaces and rugged rock-carved architectural details. Savor the finest moments in this cigar lounge, featuring deep leather seating and warm gold-lit basalt. Your collection shines in the sneaker vault, featuring gold-framed glass displays and rugged, illuminated basalt walls. Govern your empire from this command center, featuring a massive petrified wood table and gold-framed global monitors. Descend into the earth within this transparent glass elevator, revealing the massive vertical scale of this sanctuary. Record in absolute silence within this soundproofed rock studio, featuring premium gold equipment and lush wood paneling. Discover the hidden speakeasy vault, where dark basalt meets glowing gold shelves for the ultimate private experience. Breathe in life at the indoor aviary, a lush green paradise carved directly into the mountain's heart. Marvel at the giant amethyst geode foyer, a natural wonder contrasting beautifully with sleek, polished gold architecture. Relax in the master ensuite, featuring a massive carved rock tub and stunning gold fixtures over marble. Touch the stars from your private observatory, featuring a massive rock-carved skylight and high-end gold astronomical tools. Freshness is at your fingertips in this aromatic conservatory, where rare spices thrive under warm, rock-carved skylights. Create the future in this high-tech prototyping lab, where industrial innovation meets the raw power of nature. Soak in pure geological luxury within this thermal spring, where warm volcanic waters meet glowing basalt architecture. Behold the power of nature in this waterfall atrium, featuring cascading water. Refresh your senses in the indoor rain room, where gentle tropical showers meet glowing gold and stone. Ascend the mountain via this sculptural floating staircase, carved from massive rock slabs with polished gold railings. Style meets stone in this haute couture closet, featuring petrified wood shelves and stunning polished gold accents.
Explore the Earth's treasures in the geological hall, featuring rare artifacts displayed against raw, illuminated basalt walls.
Dominate global markets from this high-speed trading room, featuring gold-framed monitors and a massive petrified wood desk.
Navigate the sanctuary through this bioluminescent cave walkway, guided by glowing stone and polished gold accents. Witness engineering mastery in the kinetic sculpture atrium, where moving gold art meets colossal basalt walls.
Find absolute inner peace on the glass-bottom meditation bridge, suspended directly over a breathtaking deep cavern.
Savor elite spirits in the rare cognac room, wrapped in petrified wood and raw, rugged basalt. Craft custom scents in the bespoke perfume lab, surrounded by glowing gold vials and natural rock. Secure your priceless timepieces in this master watch vault, featuring reinforced basalt and stunning gold vitrines. Play in style within this anthracite billiards hall, featuring custom gold-trimmed tables and rugged rock architecture. Train with absolute focus in the underground martial arts dojo, combining petrified wood and rugged basalt. Immerse yourself in acoustic bliss in this vinyl listening room, featuring petrified wood walls and gold accents. Enter the copper-clad armory, where rare collector pieces are showcased against glowing gold-rimmed basalt walls. Experience peak performance in the biohacking concierge, featuring advanced medical technology within a serene rock sanctuary. Design the future within this holographic planning center, where digital innovation meets massive carved rock surfaces.
Float in absolute tranquility within this zero-gravity chamber, where glowing warm water meets dark basalt depths. The rhythm of the earth comes alive in this jazz bar, featuring a gold-lit stage and basalt. Harvest fresh greens from the indoor hydroponic farm, featuring gold piping and rock-carved vertical gardens. Walk the digital art corridor, where glowing gold-framed displays contrast beautifully with ancient mountain rock.
Aegis Rock Sanctuary represents the absolute peak of carved billionaire luxury. Your sanctuary awaits.
Experience the ultimate architectural triumph at the Cliff Edge Lounge, offering breathtaking panoramic tropical gorge views. Wait for your departure in absolute luxury within this rock-carved indoor private helicopter lounge.